Welcome to Narrative Horizons, where we explore ideas and strategies to help you grow and thrive. Let's dive into today's topic and start making positive changes. Mornings are the foundation of a productive day. When you start your day with intention and structure, you're more likely to achieve your goals and maintain focus. Today, we're diving into the power of morning routines and how you can design one that maximizes your productivity. Did you know that a structured morning routine can boost your productivity by up to 30%? That's right, starting your day on the right foot can completely transform how you work and feel throughout the day. Stick around, and I'll show you how to craft the perfect morning routine that sets you up for success. Let's face it, mornings aren't easy for everyone. Many of us struggle with feeling rushed, disorganized, or unmotivated. Hitting the snooze button becomes a habit, and before you know it, you're scrambling to get out the door. This disarray sets a chaotic tone for the entire day, and it's hard to regain control once you've started off on the wrong foot. Sound familiar? But what if I told you there's a better way? A simple routine that can help you reclaim your mornings, reduce stress, and set a productive tone from the moment you wake up. Let's break down the key elements of a highly effective morning routine. First, wake up time. Set a consistent time to wake up, ideally early enough to give yourself ample time before your workday starts. Next, exercise. Even a quick 10 to 15 minutes of movement can get your blood flowing and boost your energy levels. After that, focus on breakfast. A balanced, nutritious meal fuels your body and brain for the tasks ahead. Finally, spend a few moments planning your day. Whether it's a to-do list or simply outlining your priorities, this step helps you approach the day with clarity and purpose. Now, let me introduce you to a transformative morning routine used by some of the most productive people in the world. It includes 1. Wake up at the same time every day. Consistency is key. 2. 10 minutes of meditation or mindfulness. This helps clear your mind and set positive intentions for the day. 3. 20 to 30 minutes of exercise. Whether it's yoga, a quick jog, or stretching, this gets your body moving and energizes you. 4. Eat a healthy breakfast. Think whole grains, fruits, or protein to fuel your brain. 5. Plan your top 3 priorities. Identifying the most important tasks helps you stay on track and avoid distractions. By sticking to this routine, you'll find yourself feeling more focused, energized, and ready to tackle anything that comes your way. So, to recap, the best morning routine includes a consistent wake-up time, some form of exercise, a nutritious breakfast, and a quick plan for your day. These small but powerful habits set you up for success, boosting your productivity and helping you achieve more. I hope this video has inspired you to create a morning routine that sets you up for success. Remember, it's not about perfection, but about consistency and making small changes that lead to big results. You've got everything you need to start your day with purpose and intention. Wishing you productive mornings ahead.